Hello friends, welcome to your channel. In this video, we will see how we could update our old Java version to new version on MacBook. First, click on top left MacBook icon, then System Preferences. In the System Preferences window, search Java, then click Java. In Java Control Panel, click on Update tab. If Update available, Update Now button will appear. Click Update Now button. Install Update. Update will start. It will take some time. Then click Update and install. After this, we need to enter the laptop's password. Click OK. Now it's installing. Our update installation is done. I am getting the message you have successfully installed Java 8 update 4.11. We could close the windows. To check, if we again open System Preferences and click Java, in General tab About button, we could see the current Java version, and in Update tab, there is no Update Now button available. Thank you for watching. I keep uploading videos like this regularly. To keep watching my videos, please subscribe to the channel and like and comment in the video.